Let's take a word and pull the sounds apart. Tell me the word and then we'll start. I'm going to tell you a word. Then I'll tell you the sounds. Then you're going to do it by yourself. Pan. P-an. Your turn. Say pan. Did you say the 3 sounds? Moose. My turn. Moose. Now it's going to be your turn to say the 3 sounds. Say moose. Sound moose. Did you say the 3 sounds? Dog. My turn. D-og. Your turn. Say dog. Sound dog. Nice work. Bird. My turn. B-bird. Your turn. Say bird. Sound bird. Nice work. Moon. My turn. Moon. Your turn. Say moon. Sound moon. Did you say the 3 sounds? Log. My turn. Log. Your turn. Say log. Sound log. Nice work. My turn. Hat. At. Your turn. Say hat. Sound hat. At. Nice work. Great job sounding out words, friends.